Iyon mga tol. Alright, so for today's vlog, I will going to share to you my newly bought gaming table or desk office table with RGB light. So I purchased it in Juzz4Baby. So you can check the link www.juzz4baby.com. So without further ado, hope you stay tuned and let's get it on, mga tol. So this is what's inside after I'm open the box. So just continue. So this is all the materials I found inside the box. I already take it out. So you have a feet, you have the supports, you have the user manual, you have the screwdriver and the screws and Allen key, cup holder and headphone holder, and the RGB lights cable, and of course our table. Okay, so let's continue to assemble it. Okay, finish putting the other side of the feet in the support. So now I'm attaching the other side of the feet. So as you can see, so tight it gently and alternate tightening of the screws using your Allen key. Okay, so it's standing on its own now after putting all the supports and screws. So now what I'm about to do is to install the RGB cable. Right? So now we're going to install the RGB cables. Okay, so first I'm going to put here so you can easily identify it because it has a female and a male. Right, so after connecting, so the other end, you stand by it first, then you take the other cable, USB cable, the other end, then I connect it with the two male, and from the other side I have the female, so which I'm going to put it on here. Okay, after plug and installing all the cables, we test it, remote control on. Wow, so it's working. So I plug it in first to my USB power bank. You can adjust the speed, the brightness, and as well the colors. Alright, we test white. Alright, green, blue. Oh, it's working. If you encounter like this unbalanced feet, so you can adjust it by turning the screw to those 2 feet and 4 screws. Yeah, so now I'm turning. As you can see, it's balanced already. Wow. So before you place your table on the top of the support and stand, you make sure that it's facing to you, and at the bottom all the screws hole is below. Yeah, you can see. Alright, I managed to put all the 4 screws below. So remember, don't tie it first, let it go to its slot, and then you tight it one by one. was having a difficult time on the last screw, so I need to lie down and look at from below. So but it came all nice, right? Okay, well, I managed to tighten it one by one and using the screwdriver provided by Juzz4Baby to look it more cleaner and nicer. Okay, I used the 3M adhesive tape provided by Juzz4Baby, so you can manage your cabling. Okay, now time to attach the cup holder and your headphone holder. So you can see this 3-4 holes, so you can attach it here, left and right. So depends on you which one you put to the right or left. So the screws are also provided. Yes, so basically it's done. Assembly completed. Look at that. So this is 140 by 60 by 73. 140 is the length of the table, and 60 is the width of the table, and the height is 73, all in cm. Yeah, so that's it. Assembling it's easy. Carbon finish and RGB lights is working, so highly recommended for those who wants to avail affordable gaming table. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and comment and subscribe. God bless to all, and stay safe everyone. God bless. So yes, basically that's all the assembly for this gaming table by Juzz4Baby. So you can go to their website, Juzz4Baby, www.juzz4baby.com. Gaming table, office desk table with RGB light, carbon finish with cup holder and headphone holder. Alright.